You searched for something on Google last week. Maybe it was a new pair of headphones, a recipe, or a local gym. Then, almost like magic, you saw an ad for that exact thing on Instagram just an hour later. Or perhaps you watched a single cooking video on YouTube, and suddenly your entire feed was filled with cooking content for the next 3 days. None of this is a coincidence. Every ad, every suggestion, every piece of content that seems to follow you around online is the result of careful planning by a digital marketer. Digital marketing is now one of the most in-demand, highest-paying skills in the world. But here's the problem. Most people have no idea what digital marketing actually is, or how it works. If you try to Google it, you'll find a 6,000-word article packed with 47 buzzwords that somehow explains nothing. Watch a YouTube video, and 12 minutes in, the creator is still talking about their morning routine. Take a free course, and it's either too theoretical, completely outdated, or just a thinly veiled sales pitch for a paid course. The result? Most people either give up, or they walk away with a vague idea of what digital marketing is, but no clue where to start or how to use it in the real world. So let's cut through the noise. Here's the cleanest definition you'll ever hear. Digital marketing is any effort to promote a product or service using the internet. That's it. It's not about jargon or complicated strategies. It's about using online tools to get your message in front of the right people. Whether you're a business owner, a job seeker, or just curious about how the internet really works, understanding digital marketing gives you a powerful edge. And the best part? The barrier to entry is almost zero. Let's make this concrete. Imagine you open a coffee shop. You make incredible coffee, but nobody knows you exist. So you create an Instagram page and post beautiful photos of your drinks. That's social media marketing. You write a blog post called Best Coffee Shops Near Downtown, and it shows up on Google. That's search engine optimization, or SEO. You run a Facebook ad targeting people within 5 miles of your shop. That's paid advertising. You collect emails from customers and send them a Monday morning discount code. That's email marketing. You check Google Analytics to see which posts bring in the most foot traffic. That's analytics. Every single one of these actions is digital marketing, and each one can be learned and executed by anyone willing to put in the effort. Now, let's break down the 6 main types of digital marketing. Think of these as the essential tools in your marketing toolkit. Number 1, search engine optimization, or SEO. This is how you make your website or content show up on Google organically, meaning without paying for it. It's the most sustainable long-term strategy in digital marketing. Number 2, social media marketing. This involves using platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube to build an audience and engage with customers. Every brand you follow is running a social media strategy behind the scenes. Number 3, content marketing. This is about creating valuable content, blogs, videos, podcasts, infographics, that attracts and educates your audience. Even this very video is an example of content marketing, building trust at scale. Number 4, email marketing. Still one of the highest return on investment channels in all of marketing. For every $1 spent on email marketing, the average return is $42. It's direct, personal, and you own your email list. Nobody can take it away from you. Number 5, paid advertising. This includes Google ads, Meta ads, and YouTube ads. You pay to put your message in front of a very specific audience, filtered by age, location, interest, or even job title. It's the fastest way to get results. Number 6, analytics. This is the brain of everything. Using data tools to understand what's working, what's not, and where to put your time and money next. You can't improve what you can't measure. So why does this matter for you right now? There are currently more open digital marketing jobs globally than there are qualified people to fill them. According to LinkedIn's 2024 jobs report, digital marketing roles are among the top 10 fastest growing job categories worldwide. The best part? You do not need a specific degree. You do not need expensive equipment. The people who get hired or land clients are the ones who can show results. And that starts with learning the fundamentals properly. Most digital marketers do not master all 6 channels at once. They go deep on 1 or 2, build real results, and expand from there. Each channel is a skill you can learn, practice, and improve over time. So, to recap, digital marketing is promoting anything using the internet. It has 6 main channels: SEO, social media, content, email, paid ads, and analytics. It is one of the most accessible high-income skills you can build today. If this video gave you clarity, hit like. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want digital marketing education that actually makes sense. I will see you in the next one.